cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be
The
natural. I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all this jersey on that cartoon and I'm sitting on top. Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. And today I'm going to be co-washing my hair and deep conditioning. So I just wanted to show you guys what my hair is looking like before we get started. It's been in these two puffs for a couple of days, but it's itchy, it's dry, so I need to go ahead and deep condition. So I invite you all to deep condition with me. So yeah guys, let me go and co-wash and then I'll be right back. So guys, right here I have just co-washed my hair with the Dove Nutritive Solutions Clarify and Hydrate Conditioner, and this is what my hair is looking like. It is still soaked and wet. So I'm going to begin the process of applying this deep conditioner, but I'm going to part my hair first because I don't like to snag on hair from different sections that causes breakage, especially on the dry parts of my hair or the parts that are drying. So I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair into sections so that I won't have that problem, and the parts are not going to be as straight as I would like them to be, but I'm just doing the best that I can. And then I'm going to section off these sections, and I do like to keep the shorter hair separate from the longer hair. That helps me as well. So I'm going to do this on both sides of my head. So right here on this back section of my hair, I'm going to start applying this Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Flaxseed Recipes Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. I've been using this lately and I do like the way that it is doing my hair. However, I don't think it's as good as the Shea Moisture with the Manuka honey and Mafura oil. That very hydrating mask. That is a really good mask, but this one, this Aunt Jackie's, come next in line. So I've been dabbling with her deep conditioners, and so far I do like them. So what I like to do is take my time with these deep conditioners and make sure that I'm getting it from the roots to the tips, because my roots are really puffy, and this actually helps to relax my roots out a lot. So, you know, especially once I get under that heat cap. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, just raking this product in, and I'm going to do this all over my head in small sections, because like I said, I really like to work this product in and make sure that it gets on every single strand. And if I just grab the whole section and try to rub it in, it's not going to get into those roots like I would like it to. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing in these clips. I also make sure that I am combing the product through or brushing it through with some type of detangling tool or a dimming brush. So right here I'm using this wide tooth comb.
Right here, I am starting on the last section, and I'm just doing the same process of putting it on from root to tips, making sure that I work it in. I do still like to warm up this product before I put it on my hair. If not, I'm just going to work it in as best as I can if I don't get a chance to warm it up. But either way, the heat cap will do all the warming that I need. So anyway, yeah, I'm just continuing this process, and I am using clips to separate my hair. You can use whatever you have available. Some people like to use scrunchies or elastics or duck clips, whatever you have available. It really doesn't matter. I've been using these clips for years, so they're not broken. So if they're not broke, I'm gonna use them. But anyway, and I'm parting off my hair with this wide tooth comb. Sometimes I will use my rat tail, and like I said, it's just basically to keep my hair from breaking off at the root. But that's why I do that. You don't have to necessarily do that if your hair is not breaking when you try to part it with your finger. But yeah. So anyway, once I get this onto my head, I'm going to make sure that I get my edges and my nape or my kitchen area, making sure to put some deep conditioner on those areas as well. I was going to do a oil scalp massage with this as well, but I forgot that I was intending to do that step. But you can add oils of your choice, and that is what the back is looking like. So anyway, the next thing will be to go ahead and add your processing cap. These are the Annies. These are the rather large ones for if you have a lot of hair. I basically got these for my daughter, but since her hair has been cut, we still have some, so we're going to continue to use them. Next, I'm going to apply this vinyl shower cap as well. This helps to lock in a lot of that heat. And then I'm going to proceed on with putting on my heat cap, and then we're going to sit for about 30 minutes under this heat cap on high, just letting these molecules get deep down into these pores and into these follicles of this hair. So anyway, right here, this is basically how my hair looked after I rinsed it out. So yeah, guys, this is basically it, and you can see the water sitting on my hair. So as you can see, I am low porosity, so I had to use really hot water. But anyway, guys, I do want to thank you all for stopping by today. I really appreciate your time and energy. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural.
the
I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, cooking these beans like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffaloes. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends, and I look like $1 trillion. Lady,